Okay, great. So that's how you pronounce the j sound. Okay, so words like jam, judge, banjo, badger, okay, bridge, hedgehog, graduate, soldier, gem, angel, orange, giant, engineer, and Jim have the just sound. So these are the sound I have repeatedly pronounced earlier, and you have also tried to pronounce it on your own. So far, so good. Great job, class. You have managed to pronounce all the words correctly. Okay, great. Okay, so we have another exercise here. Read and look for the words that contain the just sound, okay, or the D3 sound. Okay, so I'm gonna read it first, okay? So, by the way, class, I have already given you a piece of paper, right? Can you see it? Okay, please pass it forward. Pass it with all your classmates, okay? Pass it with all of your classmates and then try to look for the words in the story that has the D3 sound or just sound, okay? So, I'm gonna read it first, then afterwards, you're going to try and read it also. Let us check your pronunciation, and this would also be another speaking activity exercise. So I could assess your progress so far. Okay, great. Two jeeps crashed on a bridge in January. A man named George John was driving the larger jeep. He was driving very dangerously because he had been drinking soju. The other jeep went over the edge and the two kids were injured. Now George is in jail. So, okay. Oh, okay. Someone's raising their hand. Yes, Carl? Okay. What is. Okay, can you repeat it again? Oh, okay. What is soju? Soju is like sake, but soju is a Korean fermented wine drink. Okay, it's an alcoholic drink. Just like in Japan, they have sake, also a rice wine. That's a Japanese, they have their own version. In Korea, they have soju. Okay, wow. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, next. It's your now turn, class, to read all of the words in the story. Okay, let's start from this time. Let's start from left and then to the right, and then next right, and so on until everyone gets to read on their turn. Okay. Okay, so I'll be giving you 3 to 5 minutes on this one. Okay, since I only have 5 students today. Okay. Oh, great. Okay. Wow. So 3 minutes had already passed and you managed to pronounce all the words with just sound perfectly. Next is, let me just skip this part. Okay. We're going to do that later, this exercise. Okay. So you see the projector, uh, the other share screen, right? It's not on here, but it's on the other side of the board. There's a mouse. Yes, there is no keyboard, but there's a software where you could type in. There's a, what do you call this thing? Sort of a keyboard software, right? You just type it using you just use the mouse to click the words for your answer. Okay, so how do we do this? We're going to categorize the following just sound into J, D, G, E, and G. So this is the table and you're going to write. So I'm going to call some students to try to participate. Okay? Okay, let me call on Anna. Okay, Anna, could you please move forward and type the answer? Here is the example. For J, we have jeeps. It also has the just sound. And for DGE, we have bridged. And for G, we have George. Okay. So I'll be giving you full 5 minutes. After Anna, I'll be calling other students to also write their answers as well. If you cannot find any other word in DG or G sound, it's okay. Okay? So you just type in two words that you find that could be categorized in the following table. Okay? Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So 3 minutes had passed. Okay, great. Everyone managed to type in their answers. Okay, good. So the answers, like for J, we have Jeeps, January, John, soju, injured, and jail. Okay, for the DGE, we have bridge, edge, and then for the G, we have George and larger. Okay, great. So now it seems you're doing this activity. Okay, it's a great progress. You're doing all it correctly regarding the speaking and even the comprehension activities. Okay, great. So for this one, they're going to have another activity. It's another speaking activity. So I will model how to pronounce this sound. Okay, we have did this before, but on my other share screen on the flashcard, you just have to click the card on the Quizlet. Okay, have you tried Quizlet before? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I forgot about that. We did try using interactive flashcard using Quizlet before, right? So you know how to operate it or to use it. Okay, just click the flashcard and then you'll get random words that has the just sound and you're going to try and pronounce it. And provide at least one sentence based on that word. On one of the words there. Okay. Let us start on Met. Okay. Met, could you please move forward? Okay, and pick a random flashcard. Okay, click it so we could so it will automatically lift and show you the words. Okay, okay. Okay, so okay. Short break. I'll be giving you 3 minutes before we start, but that's how it is done. So after Met, we're going to start first with Met. After Met, I'm going to ask another students again to try. Everyone will have their turn because all these flashcards are based on how many students I have in this class. So everyone gets to have their turn to pronounce and do the speaking test. Okay, are you ready? Okay, great.